Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a bunch of journals laid out because today is the drawing for the giveaway. So my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and thank you so much for all the support over the years. I appreciate it. And I've had so much fun getting to know you. And then my memberships, I'm having a great time with my members. Thank you so much to those of you who come and support, and you're just amazing. And we've really gotten to know each other over the years. I think that's so fun. I want to give a shout out to my members, and I think I have one or two where I'm like, okay, will you tell me what your name is? Rhonda and Vanessa and Mary and Eileen and Nancy and Cindy, our friend across the pond, and Twyla and Heather and Linda and Cheryl and Tammy. Thank you so much for being a member. And PQ, you got to tell me who you are. Do you talk to me on other platforms so I know you as a different name? I'm trying to figure it out. Becky and Lynn and Kathy. Thank you all so very much for being members. Those of you who are subscribers or maybe not even subscribers, subscribing is free. It helps promote a channel that you like. Anytime you like or write a comment, you're also helping that channel. So that's a way to support people. Memberships, we do special live videos. I'm also going to do a holiday drawing for members. We did that last year too. We're going to do a random comment picker generator. I have not included replies because mine doesn't count, and not allowed duplicates. Then I'm going to push go, and here we go. Drum roll. You're going to have to make your own drum roll. Da, 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 da. It loaded 41 comments. Okay, let me double check that. Okay, I think that's right because I've responded to a bunch, so that filters them out. And let's pick a winner. Here we go. Heather! Congratulations, Heather. That is so fun. Heather's been a long-time supporter on my channel, and we've shared cards and all sorts of stories and stuff over the years. Heather, will you tell me, I know you're more of a card maker, so will you tell me, would you like to have a journal? Would you like something for cards? Maybe some, I'm having die cutter troubles, but I could probably still do some die cutting for you, or maybe stamp some sentiments. So you let me know, Heather, if you want a journal or if you want some cards. I'm thinking you probably don't want cards because you make your own, or if you want ephemera. So let me know and I'll try and get that put together for you. And you can email me. I don't think you check your Instagram. Thanks so much to everyone who supports me and leaves me comments. And I'm so happy to be able to share crafting and relaxing with you. And I look forward to 2025 with you. Take great care of yourselves. I think I'm going to do an updates video this weekend because I have things I started to tell you about, and you probably wonder what came of all that stuff I packed up for last weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.